The transformation of Camp Nou is entering one of its most exciting phases yet. Every week, the stadium looks different, but right now, the pace of progress has reached another level. Massive steel structures are rising higher, new facade panels are being prepared across multiple sections, and the famous compression ring is rapidly taking shape above the stadium. Workers are active in nearly every corner of the project, and for the first time in weeks, you can truly feel how close this legendary stadium is getting to its new identity. What makes this update special is not just the amount of work happening, but how many different areas are advancing at the same time. From the roof structure to the facade installation, from the mobility cores to the upper radial beams, Camp Nou is evolving into a modern football cathedral right before our eyes. So today, we are taking a full look at the biggest construction developments happening at Camp Nou as of May 16. One of the biggest highlights of the current construction phase is the compression ring structure above the stadium. This massive engineering system is becoming the centerpiece of the entire roof project, and workers are making visible progress almost every day. The latest developments show that new sections of the structure have now been installed in both the South Goal and North Goal areas. The project teams are following a repeating assembly process where pillars, radial beams, and steel segments are connected step by step to complete the circular structure surrounding the stadium. In the South Goal area, crews continue preparing additional support structures for the next installation phases. Temporary frameworks and trusses are already positioned, allowing workers to move quickly once the next steel components are lifted into place. Several workers were seen operating directly around the radial beam connections, securing and stabilizing parts of the structure before the next major lifts begin. Meanwhile, in the North Goal section, another important milestone has already been completed. The missing steel segment that was expected has now been installed, meaning both ends of the stadium are progressing almost equally. This is a huge moment because the construction rhythm is now becoming more synchronized around the entire stadium bowl. Large steel trusses are also being moved into position nearby, preparing for the next sequence of assembly. Once these trusses are lifted into place, crews will continue installing new pillars and radial beams that will eventually support the massive roof system covering the future Camp Nou. Another major focus of the project right now is the installation system for the famous red facade panels, often called the lamas. These panels are becoming one of the most visually recognizable parts of the new Camp Nou design. In recent days, workers have been heavily focused on preparing anchor systems, alignment guides, and support structures for future panel installation. Across multiple corners of the stadium, crews are connecting guidelines between anchors to ensure that every panel will be installed with perfect alignment. This may sound like a small detail, but it is actually one of the most critical preparation phases. If the alignment system is incorrect, the entire facade could lose its clean and uniform appearance. That is why so much attention is currently being placed on supports, brackets, and positioning systems before large-scale panel installation fully accelerates. The South Goal area has shown particularly strong progress. Sections that had remained inactive for weeks are now moving again. Workers have started preparing additional supports in new sectors, signaling that more red panels could begin appearing there very soon. At the North Goal corner, crews are already installing new facade panels at a noticeably faster pace than before. Construction teams seem to have refined the process, and the installation rhythm has improved significantly compared to earlier stages. The different red shades and gradients of the panels are also becoming more visible now. As more pieces are added, the facade design is slowly revealing the modern visual identity planned for the new stadium. The lateral side of Camp Nou remains the busiest area of the entire project. Heavy machinery, Cranes, elevated platforms, and construction crews are operating simultaneously across multiple levels of the structure. Workers continue assembling support systems around the mobility cores, where future elevators and stair systems will be located. New steel beams are still being lifted into position by cranes, expanding the skeletal framework of these important vertical circulation areas. At the same time, crews are actively working on upper structural connections for sandwich panel systems. These black support beams and connection brackets will eventually hold the exterior coverings that protect and enclose parts of the stadium infrastructure. Inside the stadium structure, workers are also carrying out welding, painting, and reinforcement tasks. Protective coatings are being applied to bolts and steel elements throughout several sections of the stadium. Some workers are painting structural connections, while others continue preparing surfaces before more facade components are installed. Construction activity is especially intense around the corner zones connecting the lateral stands with the north goal area. Materials are everywhere, including steel pieces, support brackets, radial beam components, facade panels, and temporary structures. It is currently one of the most active construction zones in the entire stadium. Beyond the visible steel structures and facade systems, important progress is also happening inside the stadium. Concrete pumps were active during the latest construction activity, indicating that new pouring work continues in multiple sections. Although not every interior area is visible from outside, there is clear evidence that structural reinforcement and finishing work are moving forward behind the scenes. Inside VIP and corridor areas, there is also increased movement compared to previous weeks. Elevated platforms and workers can be seen operating throughout the internal passageways, suggesting that interior systems are now becoming a larger priority as the external structure advances. The north goal side is quickly becoming one of the most interesting parts of the project. Not only has the compression ring progressed significantly there, but facade support systems are also advancing rapidly. Workers continue preparing anchors, installing supports, and painting structural elements throughout the area. Additional steel pieces for future roof sections have already arrived on site, including new pillars and structural segments waiting to be lifted into place. The organization of materials around the north goal corner shows that construction teams are preparing for another intense period of assembly work very soon. At higher levels of the structure, crews are also installing support systems for future sandwich panels. These installations will eventually help enclose upper structural sections around the mobility cores and roof access areas. For months, much of the project looked like separate construction zones working independently. But now, something is changing. The compression ring is connecting major sections of the roof structure. The facade systems are expanding across multiple sides of the stadium. Mobility cores are rising higher. Structural coatings, support systems, and finishing preparations are happening together across the site. For the first time in a long while, the new Camp Nou is beginning to feel like one unified stadium rather than isolated construction phases.